Hey, how's it going? N5BSB out here at Lake Livingston State Park doing a POTA activation, and I've got the Zygu X6100 using the little PA50 plus sometimes I'm not. Right now I've got it hooked to, I don't know if you can see it. It's hooked to a vertical over here, and it's my first time using this. But right now I'm set up on 17 meters. The SWR is 1.09. And anyway, I got some ground radials spread out here, and already made, I don't know, maybe 13, 14 contacts, and I'm fixing to switch bands here, but I'll be back in just a minute. I just want to show you how good this thing actually matches. Be back in a minute. I just realized that I didn't show very well the antenna that I used during this activation, so I recorded this little clip to kind of give anybody that might be interested a little bit better idea. This is a collapsible whip, 17 foot, and it's kind of a beefy, heavy-duty one. The brand is OPEC. I believe it came from Ham Radio Outlet, and the top section is 13 millimeters in diameter, which is over a half an inch. So this thing, when it's fully extended, is very sturdy. It's not real flimsy. So this is, and this end down here, this base is 1 inch in diameter, and it's a 3/8 24 thread. This is the mount that I was using today. This is just a I forget what they call this type of mount here, but it's a 3/8 24 SO239, and with I put a 90-degree adapter on it. And then I have an extra nut here for the ground radials, and it's just a trucker mirror mount with a tent spike with the plastic piece taken off of it. This particular one is, I believe it was 16 inches long, 15 or 16 inches long. So it's a pretty long spike. You can drive it down in the ground, and then basically screw this, onto the end. So it's pretty simple. The overall length of this collapsed is 24 inches. It's a little bit long, but you can fit it into a backpack with a little bit sticking out the top. This spike here is about 17 inches, the overall length of the spike. So many of you know I usually use our real potable antennas, but a friend of mine actually got one of these, and I was kind of impressed with the overall build quality of this. And there are certain times, certain situations where you may want to use a different type of antenna. Maybe where you're going, there's no trees. There's a variety of different reasons why you always want to have more than one antenna in your toolbox. So even sometimes you can't put something in the ground. You can put this on a tripod and sit it out on the ground. I'm by no means any expert on these vertical antennas, but I can tell you that this is definitely a very, very heavy duty one. I don't know what the weight of it is. I didn't get that. But anyway, so that's what I was using today. I wanted to just jump in here and do a quick overview of this. It works really, really well. It will tune 20, 17, 15, 12, and 10 meters and 6 meters. You know, no tuner needed. You do have to manually adjust it, but it's fairly easy if you got a analyzer. I just use my Rig Expert stick. Was very, very easy to adjust it for the different bands. Not as easy as an end-fed half wave. You get spoilt with that, but anyway, this is a good option for some people. So back to the video. Okay, so got the Rig Expert stick on here, and as you can see, the SWR at 18.08 is 1.01, which is perfect for me. I'm operating at 18.1, so perfect. So I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna actually shorten the antenna a little bit and tune it for 15 meters. Be back in a second. All right, so I just shortened the antenna up, and we're at 1.16 at 21.06. So we're going to get on 15 meters and see about making some contacts there. 10 meters. Going to give it a try.